Okay, good morning, students. Before the examination started, we were dealing with psychology. Today we will be just a quick revision about till now what we have done regarding psychology. What is psychology? Earlier also I have told you that all individuals are different regarding size, shape, mental thinking, all that. What an individual is about to do, what an individual is about, what an individual thinking, what is an individual about, that is psychology. And they are different, and they are dimensions of psychology. What are dimensions? Here also I have got a physical dimension, mental dimension, intellectual dimension, and social dimension. So these were the dimensions that we have done. Physical dimensions means okay, according to his body weight, according to his body weight, size, and all that. That is physical dimension. Intellectual means how he is thinking. Social how he is thinking. Like uh, one player can become angry on the ground, but one player will tolerate everything. Like for example, in cricket, you might have heard about the term sledging. There will be batsmen, they are fielders who keep on sledging the batsman. If one is able to tolerate, let me say, two psychology, according to psychology, he is a strong person who can tolerate everything. But he is not able to tolerate it. See, also fighting and all that. That we see, he is less tolerate. He is less patient. We can know about the psychology. Now comes intellectual and mental. These are the dimensions. After that, we have learned different types of psychology according to different persons. One was E, type A, type B, type C, type B. Type A, type B, type C, type D. These are different psychology that we have learned. Type A psychology was extrovert and outgoing. Extrovert and outgoing. Outgoing. They are ready to face challenges. They are type A person people are ready to face challenges. And for them, they want to reach to their target as early as possible. They want the result at any cost. For them, after that comes type B. They are generally type B are generally relaxed and they are having patience in them. They are generally relaxed. They are having patience in them. They are also they are also competitive, but they don't worry about the result. Right? They are about the result. They are more worried about the result. They want to win at any cost. Like they are competitive. They are competitive, but relaxation and patience. They okay. They for them participation, winning. Like type C people, they are more curious. They also relaxed, and for them, they give chances to other people. Type C people are there. They give chances to other people. They are helping like they also like what they are also like type B people only. That they are happy to participate. But we also want to win. But type C people they are happy making others people happy. Others people happy. Other people are happy. That is type C. Type D people. Type D people are and they try to suppress their emotions. They want to be among themselves. They want to be among themselves. They will never show what is going on in their mind. They will never show what is going in their mind. They try to be in themselves only. What is happening also they will never tell what is happening inside their mind. And this controlling their emotion leads to depression. It leads to depression. Controlling if you not if the outburst of the emotion is not there. The outburst of the emotion is not there. That means you are suppressing your emotions. It will lead to depression. For example, we have seen for a the team which wins the World Cup, which loses the World Cup. One team is rejoicing, is happy, jumping, other team is crying. So they are letting the outburst of their emotions, letting the outburst of their emotions. But at the people they try to suppress their emotions. They are among themselves only. They will never talk to themselves. And automatically, if you are not talking to anyone, what does it lead? Lead to you to depression. And depression and stress. Automatically, you are just keeping your health only. So these are the psychology, physical educators. After that came, after that came Sheldon. I think you might be remembering what the psychologist Sheldon has given. Sheldon, if anybody knows, you might have forgotten about it. Was ectomorphs, ectomorphs, mesomorph, and endomorph. They have got mean body, they have got narrow shoulders. And psychology is the trait of skill. We are dealing with psychology. What are the traits? What are the traits that they are showing? What are the traits that they are showing? That they are quiet in nature, as well as they are creative in nature. The traits that they are showing that they are quiet in nature, they are creative in nature also. These are the of athletic body. Athletic body, broad shoulders, broad chest but narrow waist. Generally, athletic body means they will be having more muscle mass. They will be having more muscle mass, but less fat in their body. They will be having more muscle mass, but less fat in their body. It is athletic body. If you are any athletic person, if you are seeing like single and all that, they are mesomorph. So they are having athletic body. They are having broad shoulders. They are having a good physique. They are having a good physique. That is mesomorph. Endomorph. Round body. Round body means, as just now I told you, what is the mesomorph? What is there more in them? That is muscle mass. They are in more muscles than fat. But in endomorph people, they is the psychological trait you can see that they are more enjoyable, they are flexible, they enjoy they enjoy hanging out everywhere, they enjoy having food with anyone, they are having more fat. They are having more fat in their body compared to muscle. So these were the these were the types of psychological traits given by Sheldon. So, who's having narrow shoulders can white physical as psychological trait whiteness, creative. They are creative in nature. Yeah, but they are white in nature. They will be among themselves only. Like into one people, they can hang out there. They want to enjoy. They want to enjoy, and they will be hanging out with everyone. They will be roaming here and there. They are not worried about what is happening. That is very good. This is mesomorph. They are having athletic body. They are having athletic. Plus, they are having more muscle mass. They are having more muscle mass than endomorph. Endomorph or ectomorph. Ectomorph, if they are having narrow, the weight is more. They are having more. more density in them. They less, less. More, and we are having strong arms and legs. Today, yes, we are having a revision and all that. So these are the qualities that people are having. So now, according to Sheldon, we have done according to type A, type B, type A, type C, type C, and type D. We are having just a after that. According to him, there were three types of personality. Extrovert, and B. Extrovert is outspoken, talking to everyone, they are ready to face challenges. They want to achieve their targets. They want the result as early as possible. Again, the same. Again, we can say that they are living among themselves. They don't want to talk to the people more and more, but they are confined to their surroundings only. And the combination of both is known as ambivert. Combination of both, at the person a combination of both, that is extrovert and introvert. That is known as ambivert. Today we have dealt with psychology. Psychology, no, no individual is an individual is not having no individual is same to other individual. They are having different differences are there between like fingers, if we are seeing all five fingers are different. Same way, your thinking will be different, my thinking will be different. Third person thinking will be different. That is that is psychology of an individual. What he is thinking and what he is about, that is the psychology of an individual. So that comes dimensions of psychology. Psychology are social dimension, physical dimension, mental dimension, and intellectual dimension. Social dimension, physical dimension is the size, body weight, size and the size and shape of the body, weight of the body. That shows the psychology of the individual. The size we are seeing, they are round in shape. And regarding size and shape, and narrow in thin body and thin body, narrow shoulders. That is become the shoulder. After that comes type A, type B, type C, type D. One more type A are more outspoken. They want to. They are. They are. They are. They want to achieve the target at any cost. They are now type B people. They are relaxed. They also want to win, but not at any cost. Type B people relaxed, that's easier, but they will give chances to other people more compared to themselves. They are happy making others people happy. Type D people, they will never allow their emotion to come out. That is type D people. If their emotions are not coming out, that means they are suppressing their emotions, automatically leading them to depression and stress. That is the most dangerous disease right now. What is going on? You can't see about an individual, but he is living among within himself. That is my right now. Stress and tension automatically can lead to mood fatigue, multi-then large amount we are seeing suicide and all that. might have also heard of the inheritance system, right? These are the emotions they are not, they know outburst of the emotion that is why it is, they know outburst of the emotion that is tightly people, and automatically it is leading to the depression. After it comes shelter, what was shelter? And meso and endo. What are they? Lean body, narrow shoulders, and but creative in nature, but quiet in nature also. They are living and but they are creative in nature. After that come meso, they are having athletic body, broad shoulders, and vast chest size, narrow waist size, and they are having athletic body. What is the difference? They are having, they are having less muscle, they are having more muscle weight compared to these people. They are having more muscle mass, more muscle weight than endomorph and ectomorph. They are having more muscle. And endomorph, they are having round body shape, and they are having what is a more fat in their body compared to other people. Now, dear students, from today onward, do one thing. I'll be just using on your there will be comment box in the YouTube when you will watch YouTube. Just mark, just write your name, class, and section so that your attendance can be marked. No other comments in the comment box, no other comments. Name, attendance, section so that attendance can be marked. Okay, students. Thank you. After that, we will be dealing what in the next class we will be dealing until now from the next that is Big Bang Theory. Okay, dear students. Thank you.